Welcome. In this video, we are going to go over some blood type sample questions. These are really cool. They get you thinking a little bit, but they are a little challenging. Please don't be intimidated by a little bit of a challenge. I know you can all do it. So, in this first question, it says, could two individuals with blood type O ever produce a baby with type A blood? And that answer is no. Now, the real question there is why? Well, again, for type O blood, you have two of the type O antigens. We can also represent those antigens as II. And then the other parent has the same antigens. So there's no A antigens, hence, there's no possibility of having type A blood, of that baby having type A blood. In this, and I hope that makes sense to everybody. If it doesn't, again, let me know, reach out. I can explain it in a different way. But think about it, if the parents don't have the allele for type A blood, the babies can't have that allele either. If it's not there, it can't be inherited. In this second example, this is a little bit different, and it's cool, but it's a little bit more challenging. Again, we have to think a little bit more outside the box, and that's all right. That's awesome. So in our example, it says a man has type A blood and his wife has type B. So man is type A, wife is type B. They have 4 kiddos, 4 children, and each child has a different blood type. How is that possible? Well, in my solution here, we start with both parents. We see that this parent has the type A blood and this parent has the type B blood. In order to get all those different combinations, the parents each have to be carriers. Okay, that's what this little I means. It means the parents are carriers. So in terms of simplification, this would be parent that has type A blood has type A blood again and AO antigens. And then the parent with B blood has BO antigens. I use the fancy lettering here, but again, this is that type A blood, and again, this is the O antigen. We fill in our Punnett square, and we do the same thing for the parent with type B blood, with the B and the O antigen. We see in our offspring that there are all 4 of the different blood types. Again, the F1 offspring are inside the Punnett square. Okay, these are the 4 possible genotypes, the 4 possible blood types. So we have AB blood, type B blood, type A blood, and type O blood. AB blood, type B blood, A blood, and type O blood. And I hope that's been helpful to all of you. I hope this all makes sense, or at least, even if you're not 100% sure, at least I hope you think it's interesting. These problems I think are really cool. And I wish you luck. Do your best. I think you're ready for the next problem set, which is about blood types. And again, feel free to reach out with any questions.